Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss a case law given by US Top Court, United States Top Court, Supreme Court of United States, overturning the right to abortion of a woman. Previously, a very famous case, that is Roe Vs Wade, ROE, Roe Vs Wade, 1973, was there, in which the Honorable Supreme Court of America, US, clearly stated that the woman has got a right to go for abortion, basing on the right to privacy of her own body. So Article 21, just like equal to Article 21 of the Constitution of India. But now, yesterday, that is on 24/6/2022, the Honorable Supreme Court of America overturned the judgment. So this release, please, you can read the case. Of course, it is if you type it as Mississippi case, it will be easy to get easy for you to get the case law. But the case law like this: Thomas E. Dobbs, State Health Officer of Mississippi Department of Health versus Jackson Women's Health Organization, 2022. This is the full case law name. Of course, if you type as a Mississippi case, you can get all the details. Right? This was decided by 5:3 majority. Of course, it is written that the majority is by the so-called conservative dominated judges. Brett Kavanaugh, who was appointed by the Trump, Clarence Thompson. Of course, Trump will become very happy on this judgment. Now, what is the judgment? Let us go into the details of the incident. Please remember, a right to abortion was there previously, but it was overruled in a seismic ruling by the US court. That, please remember, that is overturning the 50 years divisive and most bitterly fought issue of abortion. Right? So please remember, in this case, the conservative dominant judges, they have clearly written, so they have overturned the old 1973 Roe Vs Wade case, which enshrined, the previous case, enshrined a woman's right to abortion. So now individual states can now permit or they can restrict the procedure themselves. So Supreme Court says, right to abortion, please remember, it is not a fundamental right envisaged in the Constitution of US America. The Constitution does not confer a right to abortion. So now the authority is returned to the people or their public representatives, elected representatives. Now, what will happen? Definitely, it is opening Pandora's box, or new law may come. Already in 25 states out of 50 states of USA, 25 states, they want to make strict laws regarding abortion. So they can make laws, they can criminalize the abortion also. And in such a case, the women who do not want or who want to go for abortion, but it is restricted in their state, they have to travel to other states where it is not banned. So please remember, Justice Samuel Alito, he is one of the judges. He stated that Roe and Wade was actually egregiously wrong. So it was actually, it gives right to the woman. Of course, now even the government's present government, Joe Biden government, is also not happy. Even Barack Obama, he also criticized the judgment. Of course, it's a judgment, you can comment, but you cannot do anything till it is once again overturned. Trump is very happy, right? So actually, Joe Biden criticized, correct? Yes. Now, previously, Roe and Wade case says that It is between the doctor and the woman to decide whether to go for abortion or not. In India, the medical termination of pregnancy. A woman can go for abortion within 24 weeks. If it is more than 24 weeks, permission from the doctor and permission from the court are necessary. That's why you will be seeing in rape cases, by chance if the woman gets impregnated, then she has to approach the court for the so-called abortion. అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ రిమెంబర్, నార్మల్లీ పెద్దవాళ్ళుగా మేమంతా ఎందుకండి అబార్షను, భగవంతుడు ఇచ్చిన ఇది, పిల్లలంటే భగవంతుడు ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి యూ హ్యావ్ టు కీప్ ద ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ, డోంట్ గో ఫర్ అబార్షన్ అంటాం. కానీ కొన్ని సందర్భాల్లో అబార్షన్ మే బికమ్ నెసెసరీ ఆల్సో ఇన్ సర్టన్ కేసెస్. ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ ద కేస్ ఆఫ్ 2012 అనుకుంటాను, ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ కరెక్ట్. సబితా అని, షీఈ్ ఫ్రమ్ కర్ణాటక, సబితా ఆనందప్పన్, షీఈ్ ఫ్రమ్ కర్ణాటక. షీ వాజ్ ఎ డెంటిస్ట్ ఇన్ ఐర్లాండ్. So she got, of course, during her pregnancy, she got some complication, and the doctors advised her to get the pregnancy removed or to go for abortion. But Ireland laws, they are very strict. They will not go for abortion. She cannot come to India. Ultimately, she died. Then Savita Act is also implemented in Ireland. So such bad things may also happen if abortion is not allowed. So it is that's why in the initial stage, it is a divisive and bitterly fought issue. Normally, USA is very popular for enlightenment, for human rights, for liberty, personal liberty, all these things. At the same time, people have started rethinking that abortion is against to the natural law. So therefore, they want to criminalize abortion in just like India, medical termination of pregnancy. Now, US Supreme Court stated that the local state may make law regarding abortion. So, there may be definitely some controversy. Already, before the House of Residence of Brett Kavanaugh, one of the judges, when the judgment has been leaked in the last month, May, certain people staged dharnas like protests also. But whatever it is, Supreme Court judgment is the judgment. You have to, whether you are willing, whether you like it or do not like it, you have to follow the law. So that is the beauty of law. Anyway, please remember the age-old 1973 Roe Vs Wade case has been overturned. That's why whenever we discuss the doctrine of prospective overruling, such type of cases, that's why I tell you, law is always dynamic. It always changes. Judgment also will change. Luckily, prospective overruling is there. If it is retrospective, definitely some commotion will be there. Anyway, it is a prospective overruling. Very good decision. Of course, some may differ. Definitely, it is you cannot satisfy all the people. Please read the judgment and enrich your local knowledge. Sometimes you have to refer to foreign judgments also. Tomorrow we will discuss another judgment given by the US Supreme Court regarding the gun culture. Right? Thank you very much.